Assalamu alaikum class 4 and welcome back to the online English class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, unit number 4. This is a poem, Puppy and I. Let's start our poem on page number 38. Read this poem to know who the poet likes for company. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. In this paragraph, the poet is talking to man and he asked a man that where he is going. Then what the man replied, down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. And the man replied that I am going to the village to get some bread. Would you like to come with me? Then the poet replied, no, not I. Then after that, what happened? Let's read. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. In second turn, the poet met with the horse and he asked the horse that where are you going? Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. In second paragraph, the poet is talking about a horse, that he met a horse and he asked the horse that where is he going, and horse replied that I am going to get some hay, and he invited the poet to come and play, but he refused. In third paragraph, what happened? I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. In third turn, he met a puppy and what he said, where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. In the last paragraph, the poet is talking about puppy, that he met a puppy and he asked the puppy that where is he going, and the puppy said that I'm going to the hills to play. So this poem is related to a friend, that sometimes you like to play and sometimes you don't like to go with someone else. The poet met three persons. First of all man, second turn horse, and third time he met a puppy and he liked to go with puppy. Why did he choose a puppy? Because man and horse were busy in their work and puppy was going to play, so the poet wanted to play and he chose puppy. Your diary is to revise the reading of unit number 4, Puppy and I, and prepare its title page. Thank you. Stay